I've been building my dream life for the past 10 years, and lately I feel like it's been really compounding and coming into fruition. Welcome to a week in my life. I hope you have fun watching this and you feel empowered to continue building your dream life too.
Good morning. Let's make some matcha. Now, I say my matcha is famous. Fame is a mindset. I think I just have the best around. I use Dew matcha bars, Sweet Dew matcha. It is 100% ceremonial grade. It was harvested spring of 2024. Sweet and floral tasting notes. The best. I have 3 of these in my fridge. Just the best. I also always travel with my own matcha. Always. I also put vital proteins and collagen in my matcha because why not? You can't even taste it. This has been recording for like 30 minutes. Oh my god. Rest in peace to my battery. This week is a crazy one. I don't usually travel for work all the time, although I do travel quite a bit. We are going to Toronto. We're going to Toronto for meetings, to catch up with old friends, just to take a break from Vancouver, honestly. If you don't live in Canada or don't know the most about Canada, Toronto is pretty much the biggest city in the whole country. It's the business capital, it's the entertainment capital. Everything goes down in Toronto, whereas Vancouver, where I live, is very much the West Coast. Things are a little slower here, which I love. There's a time and a place, but sometimes I need to dip out to the bigger city and get stuff done. I have meetings with so many different clients that I have over in Toronto, and I have so many girlfriends in Toronto as well. I was born there and lived there until I was 10 years old. I know a little bit about the city, but obviously I don't remember too much. We're headed there tomorrow, but for today I have some meetings out in Vancouver downtown, and I have to pack and I have to do all that kind of stuff. So let's go together to get it all done. And I hope you enjoy this vlog. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment and tell me how you're doing in the comments. I always love chatting with y'all. Okay, let's go. To Toronto. Blessings holding the camera. Do you want to say hi to them?
Hi.
Like, do you want to show yourself? Or no?
Oh, yeah, sure. How do I do
Just
that?
turn it around.
Oh.
There we go.
Hi.
And then
You turn it back to you.
Wow.
There
okay.
we go.
I am a cinematographer, filmmaker extraordinaire.
What have we done this morning?
We woke up, you know.
Period. We were blessed to see another day.
Yes. We drank some water, got hydrated, And then we went to Neo for a little matcha moment, which was so good. Oh my god.
That.
And yapping.
Yeah, we yapped for a solid hour to where I was like, oh shit, we gotta go, girl.
And then she said she would get ready in 12 minutes. And
like, what, 30?
I think it was 40.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I was supposed to go to Pilates with Blessing, but I had to have a change of plans because one of my girlfriends, Sasha, is only available right now to hang. We're gonna meet up after the Pilates class. We're gonna have me and Blessing. We're gonna meet up after this angle right now.
I know. I'm like.
So we're gonna meet up, me and Blessing, after the Pilates class, and we're gonna have a nice shopping day on Ossington.
Some lunchy.
We're gonna go for lunch. We're gonna go shop. My luggage was so overweight too, by the way, but the lady let me slide, and that's on being an Air Canada loyal member.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I am not a filmmaker, so bear with my camera angle.
Boom! Boom!
Oh wow, that was actually so impressive.
Woo!
It's okay, it's okay. How was your workout?
Really good. I felt a lot stronger today.
Writer.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for.
I just got back to the hotel. I have my matcha from Neo. It's pretty cold because I walked only like 11-12 minutes, but I walked in the blizzard. Then I'm gonna take a shower, do some computer work, and then I might hit the hot tub, actually. And then we have a dinner reso tonight, and I have to get ready for a full day of meetings tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be so crazy busy. I think I'm just gonna go get a blowout tonight or tomorrow morning. I think that's what I wanna do. Okay, see you in a few.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine.
Good morning from another day in Toronto. But I'm just putting my pants over my base layer because I'm gonna go walk and track and get matcha. Also, you guys saw, but I got a blowout yesterday. The curls are curling today. We have a very busy next few days. Also, please don't look at me for fashion inspo right now. We got grays and creams going together and boots, like fashion real leather boots with this. I just simply must trek through the snow, and these are the only boots I brought. But today we have a really busy day. I'll give you the rundown after we get a matcha. This is how I'm about to walk down the streets. You know, it's funny because when you travel, you have a romanticized vision of what you're gonna look like when you're walking the streets and getting your coffee. No, this is a reality, and I'm happy. I'm not gonna change it. Okay, let's go.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You
I was at Manita yesterday, a lovely viewer came up to me and said that she watches these videos. It lifted my mood. It was a highlight of my whole week because she was so sweet and so kind and so lovely. And she gave me some Toronto recommendations. We really chatted for a few minutes. I really appreciate whenever that happens because it reminds me, A, that I'm not just talking to a camera, I'm talking to you guys, right? Having those positive interactions makes this all worth it. Obviously, when you put yourself online, there are ups and downs, and like those moments are truly the highlights. This always happens in other cities. It never happens in Vancouver. But today I have a 2 p.m. meeting, my 12 o'clock meeting canceled because of the snowstorm, which is totally okay. So I have a 2 p.m. meeting. I have to meet up with some friends. Tonight I was supposed to go for dinner with some friends, but I got the worst migraine, so I just had to come home and lay down. By the way, I have seen so much discourse about these lip contour lip liners online, on TikTok, on Instagram, on everything, and some people absolutely love them. Some people hate them. I'm still feeling them out, honestly. I got them in PR. It's not an immediate, yes, everyone needs this, and because I do recommend a lot of beauty products to you guys, I take it pretty seriously if you should actually go out and buy something. This is pretty pricey, and compared to what you get exactly, this is how much you get. I think it's what, 25 USD. I need to fact check myself on that. So it's kind of a pretty penny for the amount that you get. And I feel like you should only be getting products that are good value to you. So here's my thing. Number one, if you're using these, don't use them on lips that are already glossy and moisturized. It's already a cream product, so it's not going to show off in terms of color payment if you if you have really glossy lips. So put it on when your lips are kind of dry and then put chapstick on after. Number two, don't be using too much. Some people online are using way too much. And number three, only get this product if you already have a precise lip liner that you really love and you want to add like a contour to the mix. If you're looking for a all-in-one lip liner and you want to spend your money on a all-in-one lip liner, this is not the one for you. I would probably go for a brand that's known for more artistry and pigment. So I would go for MAC. I would go for Makeup Forever. I would go for those kind of brands. I do love Laura Mercier lip liners as well. In terms of drugstore, I love NYX Cosmetics lip liners. If you're looking for an all-in-one lip liner that you throw in your bag, you use every single day, I don't think that this is a one. I think that this is a good product to buy if you're a makeup girly and you love to experiment with other things and you also want to make your lips look bigger. I think this one would be good for you.
Waiting on my girl, and she will not let me get us coffee, so I got us some sweet treats instead, and then I know she's gonna fight to get the coffee, even though I really want to grab us some coffee. Just had my coffee meeting. It was so lovely, honestly. I say I'm in meetings, but it's really just girls girling together. We're all usually the same age and we're all just like in the same industry. It's so fun. I have dinner plans in about 2 hours, so I might do a little shop. Also, I bought a jelly cat, my first ever jelly cat. I never thought I would be a stuffy kind of girl, but I looked at her and I was like, that will alleviate all my anxiety. Like, I'm gonna feed her twice a day. I'm gonna water her. It's dinner time. I'm very excited for pasta. I think I'm feeling. We're going to Bar Prima, so pasta is a specialty and it's definitely a must. My meeting was so great. I met up with my girly at Dyson Beauty, which you guys know on this channel. I am a Dyson girl. I don't use any other brand of tools. Actually, sometimes I do. But it's definitely my favorite, and it's what's worked for my hair, and it's what I recommend for others who want to maintain the health of their hair while doing as many different styles as they want to. I use the diffuser. I also use the straightener, which is so much more gentle on your hair. And then I've been reading my book from Barnes and Nobles. I got it when I was in the States. I'd never been there before, but this is called Real. It's by Kennedy Ryan. It's pretty good. I love stories about Hollywood. It just feels like such a different world, so I really like jumping into that kind of world. I don't think I'm going to change my outfit, so all I really need to do is touch up my makeup and we'll be good. Good morning, you guys. Another day. It's time to go get a facial. I'm so excited. I'm going to the Caudalie spa. This is going to be, I think it's the lifting facial. I'm so hot right now, you guys. Whew. I'm going to meet the team at Caudalie as well. You guys saw in the last vlog I went to dinner with them. So I'm really excited to meet up with them. I'm going to get some treats for them from this cafe down the street. It has amazing pastries. And hopefully that makes your day a little bit brighter. So for the outfit, the sweater is Aritzia. The pants are Adidas. The boots are the same boots I've been wearing every day. And I'm wearing this Aritzia little t-shirt under as well. Into the Webster, and the guy working was such a enabler. He made me try on so many coats that were so beautiful from the Attico, Wardrobe NYC, and now I'm never gonna get them out of my head. I'll put some photos here. One of them might have to be my next purchase. I really believe in having quality personality pieces so that you wear again and again. So I'm gonna think on it for sure. Oh, so gorgeous. And now I'm going to Reformation because I tried to go the other day and it was fully closed because of the snowstorm. So we're going now. My friend was eyeing that shirt for the Beyonce concert, so I might try and get it for them.